You're vlogging my vlog.
It's like behind the scenes.
Yeah. Behind the scenes if you were filming it 20 years ago. We're gonna be putting new wheels on the KEI truck. We have brand new Time Attack. These wheels were pretty cheap, but they're monoblock. They're 6-spoke. They're gonna look really good on the side of these. The only thing that we have to do is at the very front of the cabin, we clip a little bit on the inside right there. We'll show you when we get to it. We've already test fitted them before, so we're gonna install them and cut a little bit and get some clearance up in the front. But yeah, we also have a friend, Chizzy here. He's out from Colorado, so it's gonna be fun. Take off this little attachment that sizes it down, and then put that on. There you go. It's gonna help you out a lot. She just looked up at me nervous. Okay. I've never seen a smaller brake in my life.
Dude, that tire is weird.
This tire is about as wide as my foot.
That's your neighbor's big tire.
This is insane. Griffin, legitimately, Jerry could throw this onto his big bike and that's it.
I know.
These are the tiniest tires.
I drove 1,600 miles on these at 70 miles an hour the whole time.
That thing has more sidewall than it does width.
Wait, does this thing have a spacer on it?
No, that's how the HUD is designed. Yeah.
I guess.
I've never seen tires that have a wider sidewall than they do width.
You want to know the front suspension that you put on these cars? You put an S14 front end on them.
Interesting.
This
Tight.
is the same one that goes on.
So what are we saying here?
We're pretty much, you want to make sure that wheel has the right rotation because some wheels have rotation to it. Okay, fire. Because sometimes it'll say like, hey, make sure it turns this way, but we can throw it on. These worn ones are going to be the size that will fit on the truck.
Wait, this will be a front tire, sorry, that will be front.
That's front?
This is the tread. No, that will be the front right. Okay, that one's back right.
Okay, Jacob, get off the tire you're sitting on, buddy. I'll film it over here then instead. There you go.
Oh,
Then is the other set of holes. I thought it was the same bolt pattern as the car we got off of, but it might not be. What? Does it not fit? Why? Just look at me like it doesn't fit. It does. I think it does.
it's not feeling like it.
It does fit. We put them on before, so I know they fit.
Don't go the wear hole, go the other one then, and just see if those fit. There you go.
Yo,
your center cap popped out.
Look at these beautiful new lug nuts.
Okay.
Why isn't it staying on anymore?
What do you mean?
It doesn't.
That's it. It's on. That's on.
That's terrifying.
The center cap doesn't
I don't know if I'll be able to run center caps.
That's terrifying.
These are the new.
He should be able to thread it. Yeah, he threads it down.
I had to get.
That's actually physically terrifying. That's much of the nail sticking out.
I don't disagree with you, but do you remember how thin the other tire was? Each of the way tire.
He rode on less actually.
I don't give a shit, bro.
Look, they're going on more.
Yeah, but then what? Go up to try to tighten the top one. I'm just saying that center bolt.
Well, you need a special tool.
It's a key. It's a key.
So this is of course a hexagon, but these are not. These are like indents. So that's why you need a special tool so they fit on correctly. No, Chase is trying to. Here, but you can put this inside of not that one.
Griffin, you want to hold this instead, and I can do it.
It doesn't even have an opening.
Let me do this.
No, but you put it on a
Here,
hex.
Oh, true. Well, it has to be something like this size then.
It'll be a 19.
1738.
And then we're gonna size it down. The thing that we took off earlier, we're gonna put on now. Watch this.
I got another.
Them wheels are dirty. Look at his hand. Look at Chase's hands.
This dude went side to side though. Are we not acknowledging
That was
this?
crazy. No, he didn't do a star pattern, bro. What the fuck? Wait for it.
Not even a plus pattern.
Yeah,
bro.
well, wait for it. I just go back around the same.
Stop! No, just do a star.
It's 4 of them. You don't do a star pattern on 4.
Just do a plus. Do a plus. Yeah, do a plus.
Oh my god.
Truck tall enough for it.
It's
Call this thing a truck, by the way. This thing's barely a truck.
This is definitely a truck. This is a gangster ass
Where
truck.
are they used? That's a used one? Is that a used one then? I'm guessing?
No, go on the outer ones.
Yeah, so is this a used one?
No, yeah, that's the used one. Go on the opposite.
Yeah.
Yo, they look so good.
Money.
Chase, step away. That looks amazing. Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck? Throw 4 lug nuts into that. There you go. Wow.
Damn.
Dude, this truck is gonna look so much more mean without the thin little tires. Dude, that's like a pancake, bro. What the fuck am I riding on before?
That's ridiculous. You move the camera right
I do like the 1890s bicycle tires. The six spoke with like the 6-spoke design. On
You know the first cars? You know the first cars had the really, really thin tires?
Yeah.
It was like a Ford Model Ts or whatever?
Yeah, Ford Model T.
I got a Ford Model T tire.
Low key, yeah. It looks good. It looks sporty.
Yeah, it does.
So what we do need to do is when this thing turns, it's good on that side, except for it touches the bottom metal. So we need to cut at an angle with this side.
And we need it to not be sharp fully. So we just need to cut deep enough that it doesn't touch. God damn, boy. The plus pattern, like you should do it.
That wheel's gonna be stuck on there either way. I got an impact on it. There you go. Let go, let go, let go, let go.
The security touch.
Put it down, let's see how it's looking. See our hand.
Wait, whoa.
Oh, that thing mean.
Imagine it dropped straight on your
Bruh.
plastic cap, though.
Oh no, not the plastic cap.
He's not using those at all.
Dog, that is so fucking
It won't stick on, just let it be. Did he actually get it on?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
awesome. You hit it hard enough, apparently.
Yes, okay.
Hi, bro.
Honestly,
Wow.
Let's fucking cook the other side. I love changing tires. I'm not gonna lie. I love
are you actually having fun?
Basic tires.
What the fuck is that? Like, my arm is the size of this tire. Dude. What we had before, what we have now, dear God. Look, I'm gonna need spacers in the rear.
Yeah, you
Look how far that sticks out.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be weird.
But the front's gonna be perfect. Like
Yeah.
stock wise front.
Yeah.
And the rear, I just need a little bit of a spacer.
You good. That's dope. Rear is better to have a spacer on anyways.
Yeah. Plus it's rear wheel drive, so.
Yeah.
Damn.
These brakes are minuscule. Let me get this thing. You're gonna need the height on the new wheels.
Damn.
Those lugs, I still can't get over how small that shit is.
Yeah, no, it's tiny.
Pretty easy if you struggle with a 15. Imagine I give him my.
Well, no, I'm just getting pissed off about these fucking bolts. Oh my god! This thing doesn't make sense! This does not make sense, bro. What are you saying?
This guy, you wanna go over?
Wait, no, this is it. This is the hole. This is the hole.
It's the further one. It's not the worn one.
Yeah, that's it, that's it, Chase.
I know it is. I know it's it.
Okay, well then put it on. Then put it on. Then just put it on. Oh my god. Is he drunk? Oh, massage it, you got it?
There we go.
Oh my god, we got it.
Center cap falls off every time.
Fuck, just on these front guys.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Okay,
It looks good though.
let me throw on this one real quick. I'll let him torque it down afterwards. There you go. That's how you do it quickly.
Dude, I don't know what was wrong with it.
Poor Chase, he got the hard one. Oh my god. Dude, that fit up is... Oh my... It's poking right now, but with the kit it'll fit perfectly. Dude, it's so aggressive. Bro, show how dirty that rag is. That's how bad it was.
It went from white to gray to slowly going black. It's insane.
Let me turn up the iOS just so you can see how clean that is now. Look, it's actually got a reflection. Versus before. Oh, that's already wiped clean too. God damn, this guy's quick with it. Wow.
I'm gonna do the heaviest lifting weight. Hey, wow, it rolls so much better once it has like better wheels.
Fucking drive it?
No, it's not so dead. It's dead.
I'm not gonna lie, it does look significantly better with the wheels. Yeah, we gotta jack it up and we still gotta cut off the front a little bit just to get that clearance in. But
Gotta run that long eccentric cable out.
you also have to cut off that little front bit. I looked in the kit, and the line for the kit is above that. So we also have to just cut it for that. So we can cut, like the kit line is along here, which means we can cut inward.
We can't,
in
but I'm
this.
saying we shouldn't do that much. We should just do whatever clearance.
I'm telling you, if you try to turn this, you clip this whole thing.
I know.
So you're gonna want to cut like a section out.
I'm saying this dot down. We don't cut that much because that would clear.
Yeah, let's do it like this.
Yeah. So this is the plan next. We have to make a cut because this, of course, hits. We're going to cut this section off. So from here in, the body kit that we're running is going to cover all of that anyways, all the way down from the line. From this line down is covered by a body kit, so we don't really care about that. A lot of people have actually had to make way worse cuts where they basically cut this entire fender wall. So we're going to try not to do that and just do the minor cut, but this will be nice.
I don't have a whole lot of room to work in here, I'm not gonna lie.
You gotta take the fucking door off.
I gotta take the handle off of this thing so I can even move it around. I don't have any nimble room. Alright, give me some pliers and I can cut it off.
That was fucking crazy. What the hell? Sparks
Not that bad of a cut. Let's go.
The edges, bro.
W's in the fucking chat!
Some days on my side, some homies said I love it. Ask you why, at the way I do, I did it with no help. You say you do it well, talking about your numbers couldn't tell it. You'll get overwhelmed. Magic chick, I sing it to the couch.
Perfect. Yeah, bro. I would clearance this on this edge. Yeah. I would go just that because you're gonna touch on fast beats. But you're at full lock right now and you're not even touching at all.
All the way.
Yeah, you're chilling. Oh my god.
Full lock it one more time. Full lock it one more time. Yeah, there's a little bit of touch.
A little touch and that's it. But that's really not that bad for how fucking big of a tire you're running. Bro, this thing's 4 inches wider than the edge of the car and you're like, oh, I only had to cut a little edge.
Oh yeah.
That's fully in there.
Yeah, she's not touching.
Oh, that needs to get clipped. Wait, that needs to get clipped on that side.
What the fuck? That's crazy.
I feel like it's actually rubbing the inside of this.
It's not.
I swear it is.
Do it again. No, it's not.
No, keep looking.
No, the thing it's rubbing, the thing you're hearing is it's rubbing the plastic thing on
Dude,
the
I'm
inside.
not gonna lie, we're gonna have to take the fucking tire off again to take the plastic
Really?
piece.
Yeah. It's just this trim piece.
Yeah, we have to take off the tire with
piece.
the screws.
No, just take this trim piece off. It's just with 2 screws.
Well,
Yeah,
no,
we have to
it
take-
wraps
Oh,
all the
we
way.
have to take
It
the
wraps
tire
all the in. All
Wait,
the way in.
guys, it clips one more time. Look at this. What?
Yeah, look.
Look, show.
Where? Where does it clip?
Right at the front. You're not turned all the way. See?
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to grind that. Let's do this shit. Okay, that's it. Let me get a hammer. There you go.
Okay, you know what we could do? Wait, Chase. Okay. Because the front of that tool needs to be good too.
Oh, the front's gonna be fine. Bro, I don't give a fuck. Honestly,
Yeah,
I'm ripping it off.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why did we not do that sooner? We should have just done that. We're gonna have to cut this at some point and then just do this so that at least this part stays in. Because that inner part is fine.
These motherfuckers keep leaving me alone.
Yes.
Chase is doing all the labor here.
I might just take the rotor off.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Jay Chizzy Puts on the Wheel.
Jay Chizzy, I'm gonna be putting on the Wizzy. On a kizzy.
Yeah, it's cleared.
Is it?
Yeah. It honestly scares me because of that little lip, but it clears.
It does clear.
That's
just
a lot of turning, by the way.
Wait, turn on this way. Turn the other way now. I want to see.
The other side's rubbing.
Oh, you're good. You're actually good. Wait, that's all we need a clearance. It's not that bad. We got this with the new wheels outfitted, but today this back bar, we're gonna throw some inspiration of what we're gonna do to this thing and why we're painting it this color. But right now, because it's in the cold, we're gonna quickly take this thing off, and then we are gonna bring it inside to paint.
Numbers couldn't tell it, you get overwhelmed. Magic chick, I sing it to the couch. That's on dice, I'm on side. Some homies that I love, they ask me why I act the way I do.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly lay down some paint. This paint is exactly the color that we're looking for this build. Super excited. We're gonna lay down nice even coats, building up the paint up to a consistent layer and color. Because it is colder out, it is gonna take a while for this build to dry, so we are gonna leave it for the day and come back to the next. But the color is very accurate, and I genuinely think with one more coat on the finishing, it should be pretty good. I might not even add a clear coat to it. We could do it just to protect it, but honestly the finish of it right now looks pretty solid. So as you guys can tell, super clean finish. That's gonna be it. We're gonna do one more coat just to make sure that it has a even coating once it dries. But the color of this, it doesn't quite capture on camera. It looks perfect. So super excited for this, and it's gonna match with all the other white and red aesthetics across it, just like how the G-Wagon looked. Also kind of cool because they're both technically trucks, so it carries over the theme that Virgil had, and he had a lot of inspiration, Virgil did, for NASCAR and a lot of motorsports. So I think it's gonna look super cool once this is actually on the car, and the truck's already white, so
I ain't even like he got a problem, he get touched up. Say you rather die, I feel you probably had enough fun. Take another one, and if I die, yes, it's tough love. Boy, better buzz up. Tell me you a bozo. I been in that, you still in a Volvo.